Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create product videos with HeyGen step by step. First, open your browser and go to the HeyGen website. Sign in to your account and start a new video project. Before creating the video, prepare the product information you want to present. Write a clear script that explains the product, its main features, benefits, and why customers should consider it. Next, choose an AI avatar that fits your product and target audience. Select a presenter with a professional appearance and a suitable presentation style. Add your product script to the editor and choose an AI voice. Select the appropriate language and voice that match your audience and brand style. Now customize the video by adding your product images, text, logo, background, and other visual elements. Arrange the product information into clear scenes so viewers can easily understand it.
Hi,
Keep the most important
I'm
features
excited you're
visible
here.
and use
This is
short,
your voice
clear
clone
text to
preview.
highlight the
Take a
main benefits. Once your project is ready, preview the complete video. Check the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, product visuals, and overall design. If anything needs improvement, return to the editor and make the necessary changes. Then preview the video again. When everything looks good, generate the video and wait for HeyGen to finish processing it. After the video is ready, watch the final version from beginning to end and make sure the product message is clear and professional. Finally, export the completed video using the available options. And that's how you can create engaging product videos with HeyGen to showcase products, explain features, and promote your brand.